Good morning, my dear pupils. I think everyone is fine and you're enjoying by our online lesson. So we continue our online lesson again where we have stopped. Assalomu alaykum hurmatli o'quvchilar. Sizlar bilan online darsimizni yana boshlaymiz. Yana davom ettiramiz aniqrog'i. Hop, biz exercise 4 da to'xtovdik. We have stopped in exercise 4. So in this task, you have to put numbers all these pictures and you match them with these words. Hop, exercise 4 da iloji bo'lsa agar mana bu berilgan suratlarni daftarimizga chizib turib, oldiga so'zlarni mana yerdan topib turib yozganimiz yaxshi, lekin sizlarga osonroq bo'lish uchun kitobga agar qalamimiz bilan bilinar-bilinmas nomer qo'yib turib, misol uchun bu yerda tennis raketkasi turibdi. Tennis raketkasini bir qilib turib, mana bu so'zdan shuni topamiz. For example, tennis racket. Tennis racket is here. Tennis raketkasi turibdi bu yerda. Mana shu tennis raketkani yozib turib, daftarimizga yoniga chiziqcha qilib, bir nomerni qo'yib qo'yamiz. Ya'ni bu bir-biriga moslashtirib chiqish bo'ladi so'zlarni topib. All right, I hope you understand that. In the next exercise, you're going to read this whole passage, whole topic, and then you have to put these words into these all spaces. Exercise 5 da birinchi tekstni bir qator o'qib chiqamiz, hali so'zlarni qo'ymasdan turib, keyin mana bu to'rtburchakning ichidagi so'zlardan foydalanib, bu bo'sh o'rinlarni to'g'izib chiqamiz. For example, misol uchun birinchisida the tennis is a game in which players use to hit a ball over a net. Ya'ni tennisda o'yinchilar nimani ishlatishadi? To'p urgan nimani ishlatishadi? Ya'ni raketkani ishlatishadi. Mana bir deb bu yerda o'z kitobda ham berib qo'yibdi. Number 1 is rackets. Ya'ni tennis raketkasi. Raketka bilan to'p uradi. All right, the next exercise. In the next exercise, we have some words which are related to sport, indoor sports and outdoor sports. So indoor sports, where is it played? In the closed air, like inside of something, inside of a hole or inside of a house or somewhere else, but inside. In outdoor sports, these sports are played outside, in the street or in the square. So indoor sports, ya'ni ichkarida o'ynanadigan sport turlari. Stol tennisi yoki kurash, shunga o'xshash sport turlari. Keyin bu yerda outdoors. Outdoor sports tashqarida o'ynanadigan maydonda, ya'ni tashqarida maydonda o'ynanadigan sport, futbol yoki mana horse racing, ot musobaqasi yoki katta tennis tashqarida o'ynanadi. Xo'p, sizlar bularni bo'lib ikkita tablitsa qilib turib yozib chiqasizlar. Indoor sports, ya'ni indoor sports ichkarida o'ynanadigan qaysi sport turlari, outdoor sports ya'ni tashqarida o'ynanadigan qaysi sport turlari. All right, the next. In exercise 7, here you can see there is some words. So you have to find out the different word in these words. For example, football, milk, ulaq, tennis. Here is different word is milk. Exercise 7 da misolda berib qo'yganda qaranglar. Bu yerda to'rttadan so'z berib qo'ygan hammasida. A, B, C, D bilan harf bilan qator ketganda, shu yerdan mana shu misol A da bo'lsa, A dagi so'zlar kitchen, bathroom, bedroom bo'lyapti. Keyin oxirgisi garage. Shu yerdan oshiqcha so'zni topib tagiga chizib qo'yishimiz kerak. Misol kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, garage, kitchen oshxona, bathroom hammom, bedroom yotoqxona. Bu yerda oshiqchasi garaja, shuni tagiga chizib qo'yamiz. Keyin misolda ham o'z bergan mana futbol, milk, ulaq, tennis. Bu yerda qaranglar, futbol, ulaq, tennis bu sport turlari, milk bu sut ichimligi. Shunday qilib turib tagiga chizib qo'yamiz. Well, the last exercise will be your home assignment. After finishing your exercises, these all exercises, please send me through WhatsApp. First take a picture and then send them to me. Hop, shu bilan darsimizni tugatamiz. 7-chi exercise uyga vazifa bo'ldi sizlar uchun, lekin mana 2 exercise'ni 5 bilan 6 ni hozir jo'natamiz menga. Keyin agar biron bir narsaga tushunmagan bo'lsanglar, mendan so'ranglar. Javob beraman qo'ldan kelgancha. Keyin yangi so'zlar chiqadigan bo'lsa, yodlash esdan chiqmasin. Chunki so'z yodlamasdan turib til umuman o'rgana olmaymiz. Okay, goodbye, have a nice day.